What's up, guys? So, we're over on Tripoli Road, and we're walking up to the trailhead from New Osceola, because why not? It's a beautiful fall day, and we're starting to peak with the colors. So, initially I was going to do Gale, and maybe over to Sea Cliff. I said, I know I'm going to have good views here, so I'll just go Osceola. So, as you can see, we already got some nice foliage. Looks like everybody else had the same idea. So, stay tuned. Alright, and here we go. 3.2 miles. How long is this going to take us, guys? If I take the elevator, it'll be a lot quicker, right? Hopefully it's running today. We'll see. Very rocky trail. I'm loving it. Last time I did this, I went up Greeley Pond, and I did East Osceola first, and then I went up the chimney to Osceola, and let me tell you, that was in winter, and it might have been one of the hardest hikes I have ever done. Because that slide going up to East Osceola, no joke. So this is a cakewalk right now, but I'm only 5 minutes in, so we'll see. See you at the top. More mushrooms. Rocks and more rocks. I had to take off some layers because I'm sweating. It's probably about 60 degrees right now. Feels like 100. But it's fun. I don't know how far I've gone, but I'm starting to see some sunlight. The trees aren't as dense, and they look more coniferous. So, we're getting there. It's a pretty good trail. Not too steep. So, I'm enjoying myself. A lot of people on the trail too. A lot of golden retrievers. Making friends. We're getting there. We close?
No.
No?
Nope. No. Closer? How far are you going? Going out to east?
Yeah, I'll do east too. Yeah.
Are you afraid of heights?
No.
Go down the slide.
They won't even lie to me. They're supposed to say, it's almost there.
No. Going down the chimney.
Relatively speaking,
They say don't go down it. Go down it. It's fine.
the chimney's not bad. It's straight down at one point, but there's outcrops by 3 to 4 inches right across where you got
You're a big guy. You can do it.
All right. Thank you. All right. We're getting there. Bypass the mud. I thought I was smart, huh? How you doing?
Oh, dude.
All right. Howdy.
Hey.
Hi.
Hey.
A little muddy, huh?
Just a little bit. A little.
If you have blamed the husband was thinking to quit the job. Then like a whole thing would change.
He said to think about it and changed my perception.
I guess this is the summit.
Don't go from that.
So that should be east. So we might as well go over there because we've only been hiking about an hour and a half.
Can't even get it now.
So
Not ready. It's over.
How did I come into picture, by the way? I was not even part of the conversation.
too many tourists. God. Blah, blah, blah. Just enjoy it. Sorry. My old man complaint moment right there. Alright, on the way to East Osceola. There we go. Some technical hiking here. I like it. And we still got some amazing views. Look at all that autumn colors. Oh man, it's gorgeous. Alright. Alright. Let me turn off the camera before I kill myself. Well, I'm on the dreaded chimney. And yep, that's straight down. So I'll see you guys after I get down. We made it to the summit.
Yep. Take a summit selfie.
Beautiful. What's up, guys? I gotta say, going down the chimney was a lot harder than coming up. I don't know if that's because I have a rock climbing background, but going down, all right, almost back to Osceola and then back to the car. So I'll see you. There we are, back at it. A little quieter. Old man rant. Alright guys, that's it. Osceola, East Osceola down the chimney. back up. And let's see. Good, we put in a couple miles. Alright. Now it's time to eat. I don't know if I'm gonna make it back to the car. A long and arduous trek down Tripoli Road. I'm done. I'm calling it off. Just kidding. I'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.